Video ya me yama President John Mahama. President John Mahama, me bo food too much. Wa betu ka bebre John. That's it. What the tax ba betu Dumsor so. That would the one city pay. And now me wanna Twene Jonas aso eja.
And ever since ya Dumsor Levy no eba ye ne people akwa Ghana fo nyina ahwe na nimu kwai se o mekasa bi o de o mekasa keke ne yente nka ebi se ekufo do edi 11 eba ye oba ekufo do tie ferba kosi anwumre eyo prophet Kumchacha ebuza Sofo Kumchacha finally baba bonten abekasa oba share no opinion on this particular Dumsor Levy name no wabe clash with Twene Jonas. Also Twene Jonas abe fire Mahama back to back. So far as Dumsor Levy air concern. Sofo Kumchacha abe clash with Twene Jonas. No chile say Dumsor Levy one silicon extra. I was like Mahama 5 CDs. Ana etoso. Aha Penyah block media. Let's say any demo. Oba like video now that room. Subscribe button, click the notification icon for latest updates. Now better watch me their mama e wo comment section so baswa. Let's show you cross any be actually. Etenye no dia e train Ghana hard mo. Dumsor Levy I say select John Mahama e de aba I say eba ye no e de adwenkyere bibida na aba montres nipa bi e ne ya adwene e bi so e ne nya adwene na eba ye ni fo akwa Ghana for ateku e twen no e Sofo Kumchacha da busua Sofo Kumchacha e so the video aba want no ndie ndie other Twene Jonas have been giving Mahama tough time because that this Dumsor Levy e concern Twene Jonas after Mahama back to back Sofo Kumchacha engage no chere say once the crowd is Mahama do once the here once his excellency once all the other ensha also on for 5 cities and ento so no imu no wasake can be pa e dia kire Twene Jonas
Video ya me yama President John Mahama. Ena Sofo Kumchacha me say video we e dia ma. President John Mahama me bo fu too much. Ama me bo fu chese me bo fu a me bo fu President John Mahama no. Ebufu na no dem pa. Adenti na me kasa. Yaba ye a NDC ba ye mo beto e ka bebre a John 10 fu ye jato e ka ni do so pa na John Mahama waba wo ye supremo because John Mahama wo wanim ni wachi obi ni ho e na ba Ghana fo to ma wo no from 1992 eba ebi nsi da e na MPC amowo parliament no MPC ni do so aburo ni be ka say overdose. It's a mrabia upebia to be said, we are Alpha and Omega, you are omnipotent president, we are supremo. That's it. What bet to Kabebre John? That's it. What the tax ever to Dumsor so. That would the one city pay. Only just one city pay. And I would the barber to Dumsor so. Say Dumsor Levy. Say Levy or say Levy. I'm the American be a Dumsor Levy. That one city pay. And my President John Mahama and the Bible to so. I didn't say what the 1 CD to so. I said, how they be 10 CD and now 20 CD and now 50 CD now they are to so. What must say? Naka yenya light wo kuroni mu bebre. Now where the first cab to I Dumsor so was a 1 CD pay. And now me wanna Twene Jonas aso eja any fire eba Sofo Kumchacha so say and nana do danko akufuado edi dia be tax ba ye yi levy ba ye na me kan wasem John Mahama de adenti na me kan wasem Twene Jonas tie ade tie Twene Jonas ya we video a ya na me fa reply emre won say wono me de white say me TV I ebo me de me de wogigi mani eti wono be kan sama me no ya na ha me that was a me mekabi and my back canon. It is the American say John Mahama disappointed Prophet Kumchacha were disappointing me too much. As a car or bomb then pass over to me by 10 CD and 20 CD and the atoso a year Dumsor so Naka Abwa or minor Yanku Ponsra. Bye bye.
There was also Twene Jonas there on Yamre. What I say because so far as I don't have air concern wa fire Mahama hard one.
Because me no me here will be a the nyame aye me penisa me mpeska bebrebe onti da bia me na menya sika mo mani mrehwe the nyame aye me penisa enti wakwaji John Mahama boa ni sika emegina ho na anye den emeye se John Mahama anye law na emechi Twene Jonas na John Mahama no me pene ba di na anyem no kura na ni age kwasi John Mahama no nyu bia me mani so a ti dia mechi ono onyi kwakuma no onye jimijimi a onye kwasi a Oti Ghana hono unim say like be prepaid o e kire say prepaid ni kire say meme de misika akoto amount say bi amepe 50 cedis a meme de misika na akoto ti at the end of the day no misika na me akoto no se company na ba na om se om ni sika na om aboka emfa meme ho om nkope bosia na om mfa nyeren om mfa nko here yon ko fix om light because at the end of the day me ko gi light na om mfa free me om fa ncheme enti se wo me ba na mbeto light a edi enti na wakoboka me na me odi petrol odi taxi begu me petrol so se me na metu aka adan na mun ko chi nipa kroko wi a wo ya no ana ko wi a container na ko wi a bibi ama light no maboka na John Mahama si wagimi na omuntimi nkochi nipa kura wa wi sika no ana wabo omo maboka no na omunyi sika na Ghana fo na omuye innocent na omtiom ba bi omo kire omo dada no omumom na wo de nkwasi tax ebe so a omo abra unim se tax kro na se jimi tax no yi levy no na di akufo adom kofi enti de na chese wo de di levy ba yemfa wonko wo ye kwasia nipa no odi sika ne kotua light no ama wo buy what to light bill mo 15%. Enti watum no se sika no moje amode kwen Ghana ni koto petrol no wo se me de 1 cedi abeto later so wonye kwasia na wo ye de ade enye obi a wagimi pa hwan na betimi aba be defend sa amwade we light no de che Ghana fo nyina ate light mfia that makes sense say oh ye de scare to mu petrol so say be ya light na mudam free over the years no ye betimi a continue de amam free there be nipa ni koto credit na kura de abegu na meter no so no o say be da sumu o say be da sumu ti say if the government ono no ye adwuma no ye diskana koma no wantimi an supply light no kura amai fully na ye sika no ye de amount wantimi an hwe sika ni ye no wase sika no na wantimi an sustain light na it has nothing to do with Ghana ni magimi an se moa no enti e krono no mo bebo na we sika we omo je di kwa nya se omo beji aye oman bi aye omo beji di kom ya kronfo ti dem chon because omo beji di a omo sika aye oman ya nko ma sami jamfi 5 months pe on to fie 5 won kan ho 5 months sami jamfi abetina na gold no sika aye nyanye sika ketwa ye hu di emfa sika ne ye good board amu akoto range over $500,000 sami jamfini na busuanfo and even Ghana lawyers nyina kura ye adwuma 50 years omunya sika nkoto sa almost $500,000 biography na America sika for credit meto enti sami jamfi ono no wie school na anu ya wono titrotrom no na anu yo maba power mo no ti $500,000 scam anya bundle of dollars chema gradamo na se sika no wo ho mo se no Sam George makoto to lezos mo ama mo mpna fo Sam Jamfi gas we nyina de dalam krusem na omo wo sika na omo se no but Ghana ni na wo kire na wo kire ne wo mobro no wo se onu mom ena emra metua nkwase sika na mo de crapad no crapad millions upon millions dollars no hemfa na mumu gina campaign yes mu ba mbe supply pad ya kwhye nkufo ma twem da bibi ni ba bia de ye nim ye flagship ye ba ye be ye den ye ba be 24 hour economy mo ba mo je no to ba bi kura na ma deviate na da bia ye supply pad o na da bia ye supply why not wo se ne ba twem ntinsuo nti opema mpanyina mo ba supply pad a she ne ba twem bi ni wi ase mampanyini your goal is to think about the nation yankufo ma twe na oda na ja wo dwene ho. So, when you become stupid like this, near to 1 year car, now Kokumanu Jimmy see a yellow matching wine. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? So, NDC for I am Wankaweno, SMB condemn your mama. No cancel because at the no beko opposition straight way, and yes, me man casa cried in the beko. We yet dang on the 20 year. Cause perfectly 1 gallon beer. Ubetia 4 cedis. Na your mama more than car emphasis for 20 gallons and a Ghana. And he multiplied by 20. And the man say, your mom de cars of coupons to 12 weeks. The cars of coupons. Almost 50 gallons. 50 gallons no. Now tia 4 cedis, 1 cedi per liter. Now fail 4 cedis. Now 1 gallon be 4. now fairly 50 gallons 50 gallons o tua 2 million na dia ma John Mahama na say 2 million na say o fairly o kudru no say ba no say fairly another 2 million 4 million say ska no nim say wan na betua o de ma obepia ma passengers na atua nti the end product will be Ghana ni na won kire na won kapre no nti na se wagimi say ya hwan na enkoto aba mount we no ye privilege amode ma other political parties na mo mawini waje ase nti wo no te wona meme ka no kure kire wa se mempanyin no your goal is to help the people. Your goal is not to help yourself anywhere busianfo ne wonamfo ne selfish interest. So Mr. Mijamfi eti Ghana so many years, minimum more than 20 years ontimi nkoche dollars da. O ma ban ba na anu ya o sisa dollars gu ka mu chema akronfo a wan fan koma NDC fo no. Amoye campaign ba o de koma akronfo ba agrada ono ti ho ba wodi Mahama temse Mahama e konseni Mahama e kronfo Mahama e tutu ni miento abama no. One timi anfa sikana koma NDC fo na minim se NDC fo na fight aye campaign abo mo a na NDC fo ne da so kire kom fo soldiers ye ma mo hwe da bi o mo freme yintua e ka u ya ye campaign yintua kasa mi jamfi diskana koma agrada so e ho na me hu se nkufo no magimi eti dia ono no town no die ntina wodi sika koma na eno ehwehwe ne mu papa na dia ono no dowo na obu a o ma wini power no wagya no ma na bre we mu nuanom ntafo ye susu kaya wi omugu bridge asi omu mo bro aban bia ba omo eti kasankofo no na makobo om ba omi abedada omo a ya mo omo tabi dia ono ye kronfo a wadupu nipa wo sika ma no atam $10,000 ya kwhye ne nsem ko a so anti NDC will go home whether they like it or not. Omo mapa wa bio because mo ya kronfo chen NPP for maba less than 1 year mo se mede petrol tax eba fuel levy dramani levy na kwakuma enu kwahia me fa John Mahama jimi fo se ya oswe jimi nti ase abra wo beba betua sika no John Mahama tie kwakuma no jimi John Mahama ni made current ento petrol bu ni free aboa John Mahama etwa cars 150 ordinary nyina petrol free John Mahama mpena 40 say ansansan daily omu nyina bu petrol free Tracy Buache Mesbel omu nyina bu petrol free tie dia me che ko jimi Sami Jamfi bu petrol free omu nyina from abamba be nkwasiafo na amu ko pass jimi mram parliament for no magije bribe on pass ye no aye A+ ne be kan o se Mahama tamsika bondo de abesiwo no wa chama parliament for nyina nti o pass law bia silence o montmen kasa san kwasiafo nyina A+ mu nyina obi a bu petrol free and they are never going to feel the impact. NPP for ne gu parliament wo nyina bu petrol free but wo maame o ofa unua da bi obesoro akwa adwuma ono ena na katua na John Mahama ne kwahia oba untua teacher for kantua na esifo ka untua omu nyina ka o but ombeje bosia e de akwakutua lorry fare times 2 na we no John Mahama say dollar ne that time no say be jump akọ 12 ni nachi nti eche say dollar ni say peja petrol price ne be ko be 100 cedis e be free NPP for no me akron for nti NDC for na magimi oh sesia no de later taxation no krato so why Lillian or don't toss it this politician don't pay for petrol they don't care about ordinary citizens and no na me I don't think akokuma no yema you know forget politics because these people they come and go who create enemies maybe Twene Jonas na wutu wa dimantem no unim nipa do ahwe millions upon millions maybe a superstar a moment abetra ba bia bom din no or a nipa nyina ba betiu enti nipa millions upon millions nyina be nsu wagimi enti bo say next time no obi wedding bi ana obefro am abe MC no amount 10 million 20 million obi di ahye ho ama de atwa petrol ana de atod ya na amount ma di no na ball because omunim say sia be adisa agyaku no agidi chen agyaku MPP na de ne call for politics emwa forget your move because omu wies ka mu ma obi ni say no de amawa anu nti ube create enemies ama okakuma no John Mahama e kwase a chain nipa bia waba 1 year mai was me di Levy ba bra wonim se atofo se kwase mpanyini etina platform bia a woni including Mahama no yi Levy esi etwam na Ghana gold timber diamond manganese ayewo nkwase afo mienu o omtina wa asa o ye beto abai no kra ne ma me ye se o de momie ntoma mo timber oil petrol ampani ampadi nyina ye tweko free obroni ne tweko China fo mo tweko ono no be taxi no no de aba betwa yi Levy num no make sure say o man na yeye tisa nipa we akase mo ina mama yakoto aba ma na wan yakra mai no no akofa di Levy aba. What is the difference between D11 and D11? Na musi majiminti moso supporton kwasi adi we ya to mama e kwasia jo mama e kwasia so mo ajimi muti wona makobo ka mtela krama we pass omra me botret abra munim say Twene Jonas is the almighty. Me na Ghana for you look up to me because men enya fe na me be twantro e yanka meka seye e say D11 e yanka meka seye enye ntina meka e yanka meka seye atofo se ba ya na o chi dollar da bia na mbebo na baso so aya de e na o magimi o mabetna o ma ya o madwin so mbe wi Ghana for no nya na me fire o makom because sika no o mje o mbedi se o gigi I light bill and sana wa supply light amani pan now to me be kaso aboka. This does not make sense. All the light in the Ghana for free. That makes perfectly sense. Nipa ni dinisike kutia de no. Ansa na woman light no. Enti ehemfa na akobo ka sika no hen. Sika na nipa be tua ye na wo de light ne man na wo hen adwoma amakwasea. Enti se omosi o maboka ade na wonche o nyina nkogum. Na wo ba nipa wa diska no mo ko fa no se ni fie ne siwa no maton. Na mo diska na ba be fix light no. Eye de ye Ghana for ka. Aden magimi sa enti ba akufo awie sika won na mo ye den aden na mo nkwachi ni sika no na fe no mo fa sika no e stop Dumsor no enti aden na bibini die wagimi NDC fu MPP fu agimi ATS o ma dia brosa mo nso mo a ye de maban no ya mo ntwan kura ma ni be ai 1 year 3 years kura ansa na master tia wi maba na anu ya mo be start ya wi Ghana for ti Ghana ni nyomo ba na Ghana ni nyomo bo we ti obede to kwan akon obede to kwan e de ne mark school obede akwa adwuma Ghana ni nyomo bo because we mo no it does not affect the drivers omobo a omu suka ombe pia ni nyina agu passengers no so ombe pia ni nyina agu passengers no so. And it is a lorry fire 10 cities no obe come to 121 tua onfro what just say obe ko omo say baby 100 cities omo say 150 1.5 one tua omo nko omo manfro car no omo na de omo car na jo mama kwasi empanyini no ono nti ye car mu free ye taxpayers money na busuanfo bu petrol free ba ono no de nkwasia e car beto Ghana for so afi eba ne sen ya sami jamfi gold sika na obetena say wa accumulate $1 billion no e wo hen say sika ne ntimi nko solve Dumsor no sami jamfi gold board na so gold no omanya sika nya ano adabia mo de be sika no wo hen a enu ntimi nko stop Dumsor agisi yesa beje Ghana ni no ne kapre no gold ni sika no ma be chama Ghana fo ana mo sika na ya chama mo ntimi metue sika ni bi emien stop Dumsor na da bi joma ma den we jimisa. And to only a kufu the difference I won't know. Difference is I would din Mahama no nsu din ya kufuado and kwasi afo mienu. Let me tell you clear, Akufuado is far better than you. Akufuado there is so many ways to get around it. Me to one man ko to chacha o nyame wiame. Me to one man ko send ska o nyame wiame. But where there we are dying over froka ko baby. We are dying. There's nothing you can do. Abra ultimate survival or my BM abra on froka. There's no surviving without transportation. Your mama bought me by America how many years near 5 years. Train and as you $2 in tomb. Petrol and I see $2 and two for free Africa never. I didn't be near Jimmy sir. Every 10 year TB and TB America. I didn't be near Jimmy, the owner of the resources. Is suffering na China for more say so China for gold ni na continent taxes and kufuwe unia Ibrahim Mahama or the excavator say Ghana for nsuo nyina first na untumi na say no se sia untumi ma season bank account a season untumi nye by Ibrahim Mahama oni chairman kutumu say nsuo o mo two box site untumi taxes and asiafo no na mo nyi sika ni bi omu wia na omu diskana beto cars na omu di show off aden na mon taxi omu nyiska no emfa solve se mama nipa no okonum suboni akowu a light nso a muntime nyi sika ni bi mfiri nipa bonefo no emma light nyina so mane na munso abra light no mo mfa mane free o kotua sika ene de akwakoto light no kwase asem sei kura ni we ti bibini ba wia so no wote atemu dam ana wote bronsam jem jomama nam NPP for a far better than Moody. And to the Mamma for Jimmy and Soren Coaches Jimmy Semnum, na feno, or more yard like basic and common mom dear Jan and Mariano, Munquachia more Mufia and Matonton, or Munya Paddy and Matonton, Namo Discana Query. Aqua stop Dumsor Namunya Jimmy and said that be a bibinidia, what that's what be a DCM Korea. The BI in Korea, the BI in Korea, the BI in Korea, and on the end mania film. And Timoya Dayam Beko position. Eh, Meme de Mobeko, I'll make it happen. I may catch the Akufuado, neighbor me as on Beko position, and no more. Sana Meme say Mobeko position. Moya Dang. Yan for two Abama, I would deform Mumbequia, Moya Dam Mobeko position, Meme at 20 Yamo, massively. And I will mean yamu that be a baby your mama, tem your mama, when him say kaka mutuvi. Your mama utiku to sabosom. Your mama kwasiam penny. And sansa dali matofiamano. Matofiamano and sansani dali. Matofiamano. Neche MPP for dia ikoteche free family na dina. Can tell a boy crab a fair dinner ma pass your mouth your mama. And I done any fake, or done any doctor and a gun of what you saw a fake. And my bribe on with a fee and Sansani Delhi. Moody, I see cataspace when the Sanquasia normal way in Anama Mabocano. As I your friends, I Monica Preno, Quasia this year, a chain for soon, maybe to Kuma many years. Oh, I hear it. We hear Lodina, ne took Capuse Kule, ne took a natural way. Neto ekwa motomola sakabum e sheki wosi da bi me artificial eto a nkofu adi ansansani dali eto a nkofu aye modwuma mana bredwoma ama watam yesika akotofi ama no sami jamfi ne mpenafo watofi ama mo ni baby mama fo nyina watofi atolam cruises onya sika wo hen sami jamfi mu opposition na ne baby mama fro taxi. And then Sammy Jamfi baby mama tree Land Cruiser V8 onya sika wo he enti se ma Jimmy a na se mo be wia esika no e de ayem nko am ho ye na mama Ghana fo na bebra mo be ko fie agrada se joma me convention ni still Sammy Jamfi $10,000 de share ni sem e teacher say mo no. You are not there for even the people who love you. You are there for the people or money muabia de boamo or mumu dimatem. Oh, my business associate been a premio. And to which your mama say hypocrite seminal sujai. Obetnasia and Kokase Maye scholarship diama Islamic student in Kwa. Oh, yes, I'll be an Jimmy. We are you are supposed to be for all the people. And my scholarship, I'm a student, simple, what's the problem? And yet discrimination. Say me ba own cremofuano, one so ya mampanini. And so can you do one on a can you, but on koi boa uma will be a scholarship. What do I know keke discrimination? We now for time for my own. and omo am koto abama no mo other school no omo scholarship no omo hia scholarship on tunya platform akanya ansasem enye say oh na meboa we mu no magya we mu oda bi meboa obia. That is a leader speaking.
18 minutes actually so the response ebeba before then I had Penyah Media.